My name is Kherunisa. I'm living in UAE since last almost 4 years. This is to spread some awareness that all heavy bleedings are not periods nor menopause. Trust me, it can be dangerous to beyond normal expectations. After trying so many renowned medical platforms, I got to see Dr. Maria, internal medicine at Emirates Specialty Hospital, and she was kind enough to listen to me completely without rushing to any self-conclusion. She addressed all my concerns about my health and did best investigations to detect the root cause and brought my confidence back that I can be treated and healthy again.
In Emirates Specialty Hospital, we believe in multidisciplinary team care for our patients. Same is the case with Ms. Kherunisa, who came to me with multiple complaints which were neglected for a very long time. She came with the complaint of shortness of breathing, severe anemia, high blood pressure, high cholesterol and sugar levels, high BMI, along with that abnormal uterine bleeding. Without further delay, I proceeded with doing the initial investigations, managing the cholesterol, diabetes, her weight, as well as her iron deficiencies by myself. But at the very same time, I involved my colleague, Dr. Amala, for the gynecological review to manage her abnormal uterine bleeding. And from there, she took over and we did what was the best for the patient very quickly and very efficiently. And we are very happy with the outcome we have today. The patient is feeling much better and we are going towards complete recovery just because of involvement of a big team in the beginning to make sure no aspect is neglected in the patient care. Thank you.
Besides looking after my general health issues, she suggested me to see Dr. Amala, gynecologist at the same facility, that is Emirates Specialty Hospital. On my very first visit, she started with the normal clinical scan and detected cancerous cell on the very first sight. Yes, you heard me right. It's cancer. No doubt it was scary to hear. My whole life went upside down instantly. Dr. Amala rushed to conduct all investigations and procedures one by one at a speed of rocket and gave me a life back. Hats off and salute to her knowledge and experience as she detected everything in time.
We received a referral of Mrs. Kherunisa from Dr. Maria Awais, our multidisciplinary team member, who referred this patient to us. This patient has been bleeding since February of last year. She went to multiple doctors but didn't get the confidence to go ahead with the treatment. Upon receiving Kherunisa, we scanned her and there was a huge suspicion of malignancy in her uterus. We posted her immediately for a diagnostic hysteroscopy, and we evacuated close to about 35 different polyps from her uterus. It looked malignant, at least visually, but we wanted to be sure with a histopathology report. As soon as the diagnosis was received, immediately we went in and did a total abdominal hysterectomy with a bilateral salpingectomy. We were able to catch Kherunisa's cancer in time. If we would have waited even a couple of more months, this cancer would have perforated her uterine surface and spread all over her body, reducing her risks of dying from this disease and increasing her risk of mortality. So, moral of the story is very simple. Timely intervention saves lives. But in order for us to intervene timely, it is important to maintain a proper discipline of getting yourself checked once every year with your gynecologist, no matter what age you are in. You could be an adolescent, you could be in reproductive age group or in postmenopausal age group. An annual checkup, an annual clearance from your gynecologist is an absolute must. Thank you.
I cannot thank enough to Dr. Maria and Dr. Amala under the umbrella of Emirates Specialty Hospital that the way they expedite the things and did wonders to protect my life fully. Today I am here to see Dr. Alawi, the oncologist at Emirates Specialty Hospital, to get the assurance by one last scan, inshallah, that I am cancer-free now. Nevertheless, can't forget Dr. Tawfiq Eid, and Dr. Purandari for their additional expert support during my surgeries. Thank you very much.